Extra practice for quiz 5. Number 1. You are shopping for a DVD player and find one with an original price of $145. The store is offering a 30% discount on electronics. What is the sale price of the DVD player? All right. First thing I'm going to recognize is this is a discount problem. So I know I'm going to have to find the discount and then subtract. So 30% of 145 is the discount, which means it's really 0.30, change it to a decimal, of is times 145. I'm going to put that in my calculator to see what I get. And I get $43.50. Well, now I need to subtract that from the original price to find my answer. Subtracting will give me the price I'm going to pay, or the sale price, $101.50. Number 2. A holiday decoration has a wholesale price of $3. The percent markup is 150%. What is the retail price? All right, so keywords for me are wholesale and markup. That tells me it's a markup type problem, and I'm going to need to add. So I need to find 150% of $3. That's my first step. 150, I need to change him to a decimal. And I get 1.5 of is times 3. When I do that in my calculator, I get $4.50. $4.50 is the markup on $3. So to mark it up, I have to take 3 plus $4.50 to find my total of $7.50. Number 3. Ryan went shopping and bought a pair of shoes for $80. The tax is 9%. What is the amount he paid for the shoes? All right, again, keyword, sales tax. That means it's an adding problem. So I need to find 9% of $80. First, I change 9% into a decimal, and I get 0.09 times 80, which equals $7.20. So now tax is adding 80 plus 720 equals $87.20. Number 4, a store manager buys a DVD for $15. He marks up the price by 20% to sell in his store. What is the price of the DVD in his store? Well, it just told me he marked it up, which means it's a markup problem. So I need 20% of 15. That's 0.2 times 15. And when I do that in my calculator, I get $3. Markup means to add, so 15 plus 3 gives me my total cost of $18. Number 5, a video game store is having a sale. All video games are discounted 20%. Nate bought a game that was originally $50. What is the total price he paid if the sales tax is 9%? Well, right away, I see discount and sales tax. That tells me I have to do 2 separate problems. My first problem, 20% of 50. That's 0.20 times 50. And this gives me discount. 50 minus 10 is $40. So discount is 40, and I'm paying tax on $40. Not $50, I find the new price of 40. So 0.09 times 40 equals 3.6. So my final answer is 40 plus 3.6, which equals $43.60. Number 6, the wholesale price of a shirt is $15. Wholesale, that's important. A store marks up the price by 75%. When the shirts don't sell, the store offers a 20% discount. What is the sale price of the shirts? So first, I know I have to do a markup, and second, a discount. So my first step is to do 75% of 15, which is 0.75 times 15. And when I do that, I get 11.25. So the store marks it up 15 plus 11.25 to 26.25. Now the shirts don't sell, so now they take a discount on 26.25. And my discount is 20% as a decimal. My discount is $5.25. So my final price is $26.25 minus $5.25, which equals $21 for a shirt. All right. George buys a pair of sneakers that are 15% off, and tax of 9% is added to the sale price. So I have percent off discount, tax is added, and the original price was $45. How much did he pay for the sneakers, including tax? Again, two-part problem. 50% of 45 is 0.5 times 45, which equals 22.5. So discount means I have to take 45 and subtract 22.5 to get a total price of $22.50. And now I have to find the tax on that. 9% of $22.50. Well, that's 0.09 times $22.50, which equals, if I round, $2.03. So now I take $22.50 and I add on my tax, and I get a grand total of $24.53. Number 8. Ellie earned $45 last month babysitting. This month she earned $35. What is the percent of change, and indicate whether it's an increase or a decrease? Well, I'm looking at 45 going to 35. That is a decrease. And to set it up, I would subtract 45 minus 35 equals 10. So 10 is my top number. I started with 45. He's my bottom number. And now I'm going to divide and make him a decimal. After he's a decimal, I turn him to a percent, and I'm going to round to the whole number, 22%. Number 9, Kevin bought a used guitar at a garage sale for $150. He fixed it up and sold it for $200. What is percent of change, and indicate if it's an increase or decrease? Well, I have 150 going to 200, which I know is an increase. So I'm going to subtract to find out the change. And when I do that, I get 50. 50 is my top number. I started with 150. That's my bottom number. And then I divide 50 by 150 to see what I get 0.3, a bunch of threes. When I change that to a percent, I'm going to round it down to just 33%. Number 10, for the first ride at the fair, Trent had to wait 90 minutes in line. For the second ride at the fair, he only had to wait 75 minutes in line. What is the percent of change Trent had to wait from the first ride to the second ride? And please indicate whether this is a percent increase or decrease. All right, so Trent starts 90 minutes going down to 75, so that is a decrease. I subtract 90 minus 75 to find out the change. And when I do that, I get 15. So 15 is the change. The original number is 90. I divide, I get 0.1 and 6 that goes on forever. When I change that to a percent, I'm going to have to round to 17%.